back with another one of my videos, and today I am showing you guys some amazing cool clear slimes that you can make by yourself. If you don't know who I am, my name is Hal DIY and I do DIY videos on the weekdays and slime videos on the weekends. And as if you can see, this is not the weekend and I'm doing the video now. I'm so sorry I have not been posting. I just really haven't been having time for my editor to edit my videos and I'm really sorry. I'm going to be out of town for the next 2 weeks, so I'm really sorry, but I won't be posting for 2 weeks. That's why I have just posted my DIY video, and right now I'm just posting my slime video. So yeah, let's get on to it. For this next clear slime, what we're making is some glitter slime. Now with me I have a bunch of glitters, but I won't use them all because then it'd be kind of chaotic. So I'm making a yellow glitter slime first. And first what you're gonna need to add is some clear glue. If you want, you can stir it around a little. And you're gonna add in the glitter of your choice. So I am adding in yellow glitter, just for purposes. I just really like yellow glitter, so that's the glitter I'm adding in today. And then now for the final and most risky step is adding in the borax solution. This is what activates your slime, and I always try to add as little as possible and then add more as we go. And there you have your magical yellow glitter slime. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.